Ooh, welcome man. Y'all see that street? Wayside. So y'all know what that means? Where I'm headed. No, Brothers Motors off Churchill Road. This is Wayside, so that can only mean one thing. Y'all know I'm affiliated with two shops, guys. That's right, a high performance shop and a regular automotive repair shop in Brothers Motors. And also Allpar Garage. That's right, guys. I have friends all over the place. Look at these guys out here. What is going on? Nothing but goodies. Every time I come out here, they up to something. Look at the monster cars. Oh my goodness. Look at that Challenger, guys. Where you at, Philly? G14 classified, Philly. Look at that Challenger. Who knows what he's doing today? He might be adding about 500 more horsepower to that thing. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I had to come over here to take care of some business. So that is what I'm about to do. In the process, well, at the same time, since it's Thursday, I will, however, do my typical live stream video shoot. All right, Q&A, baby. That's how we do, man, every Thursdays. And man, look at that. Oh, this is one of those old school shops. Look at them little cars in there. Ooh, well, look at the beauties right here, guys. That pretty purple. Who knows what he getting done? I don't know. I can't tell. Look at that beauty right there. All right, we going inside, guys. They on the dyno. Did I get some dyno? Did I finally catch a chance to get some dyno footage? I don't know. We're gonna see. All right, I'm driving right in because I run this joint. Look at that. They over there doing nothing. Y'all see that? We call them red-handed. They over there playing around. They got the engine in there. What you call a car? So, I don't know. They almost done with this what's the face? So I don't know, man. Y'all know how I do. I gotta look around, man. So y'all hold tight. Let me grab a light and a mic, and we're gonna do this. Hang tight. Allpar Garage, baby. Man, look at this beauty. We can get a closer look at these beauties, man. I don't know, man. 392. Yes. Most all these 392. That's a 5.7. 345, I want to say. I keep getting these acronyms wrong. 300 gain. My man, he done added some power to his ride too, guys. He work here. But is this a 1500? Must be. All right. So I don't know, man. All the goodies. What we got back here, guys? I ain't went back here yet. I don't really want these guys' license plate on the video, but these guys be at the car show. So obviously, if they're at the car show, right, they don't really have a problem with it. Look at this. Good. Guys, a Grand Cherokee supercharger. Do y'all see this? Look at the nice, pretty yellow calipers. What is this? Typical 1500 Elite Motors. Look at that. That is sweet. Grand Cherokee supercharger. I wonder if this is a Super 6.2. Oh no, guys, I get these acronyms wrong. I hate when I do that because you know, people don't want to cut you no slack. They expect you to be right. This is a beauty too. Now it don't say, I mean, because an emblem is an emblem though, guys, right? You can get an emblem to make it say anything. What's really under the hood is really what matters. All right, typical 345. What y'all think? 345. Y'all want to take a peek? Where you at, Philly? What you guessing? 345, 392, 61. I don't know. We about to find out. And ladies and gentlemen, drum roll. Oh, look at this 6.1, guys. I mean, there's different versions of superchargers, obviously, right? Okay. I don't think I ever seen one like this. So you get the kit. Remember, guys, the base is still a Hemi block. I don't know whether it be a 5.7 or a 6.1. The base is still there. It's what you do on the top with the intake that will differentiate how much get up and go you have. But I'm still tripping off this nice ass. And this guy's from Missouri. Shout out to it's starting to rain, guys. So what I'm gonna do, head on back in. I'm about to go in here. I don't know if y'all can see that off on. What is on the dyno? Y'all know I'm going to be nosy. I am about to go be nosy. What is on this damn dyno? Oh boy. You know they gotta keep these things cool. We finally got this up. It's almost about to fire up, man. I remember this from the last time I was here. Man, I thought I was gonna get some dyno footage. Not quite. How much you trying to get out of this 345? It's 345? They want to play too. They want to play with the big boys too. Beast mode. Yeah, guys. I wonder how much he gonna get out of this thing. All right, you gotta be extremely safe when it comes to the dyno stuff, man. Now, my thinking is they add the kit or add the stuff to it. The kit, and then they test to make sure they're getting the numbers that they want. Alright, now they haven't always had the dyno, okay? From time they used to rent a spot to go get dyno reading, so it became cost efficient to simply get the equipment. Yeah, you can do it in-house at that point, right? Yes. So that was a smart investment. Like, whoever invented this stuff, like this stuff wasn't always invented, but whoever came up with these bright ideas, oh man, that is off the chain. Remember I told y'all about the little plastic? That little plastic is acting as a fender cover. Alright, so yeah, it's not really, some people thought they were about to paint or something like that. Nah, it's not about painting. It's acting as a fender cover. So, trash out. Hey, you already did it? You already did the dyno? Come on, man. I want some footage. Oh, you can do it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, check this out, guys. We're about to do a pull. All right, we're on the dyno, as you can see, so we're about to set something up. Matter of fact, I finally got a chance to catch this on video, guys. So, Allpar Garage, man. Let's get it.